Hey, you guys have such fun and engaging class connects, and you have a lot of nice visual clip arts that you add to your slides. And I was just wondering um, if you ever wish that you could have more fun animated clip art added to your PowerPoint slides. Um, but just in case you didn't know this, you can actually drag any GIFs that you've saved onto Blackboard and they'll actually be animated, which I thought was just mind blowing when I learned this a few years ago. So, what I do when I want something, like today, I wanted some sort of like, thank God it's Friday. So I Googled it and then I just ended up, I just right clicked and I saved it. And then once you save it to your folder here, I just save it into my pictures. You can actually take it and just drag it onto Blackboard and voila, you've got an animated GIF on the screen. Um, so yeah, I just thought that maybe you guys, since you guys have some fun clip art that you use as far as like positive affirmations, might want to play around with ones that actually like move, like, dancing and stuff like that. So anyways, hope you found that